Okay, today I wanted to try something new. Was out shopping this morning getting a few groceries and all, and I run across this little two-piece lens kit for my iPhone. And right now I have the wide-angle lens on it and a microphone hooked up to it. So let's try this. Let's take the lens off and the microphone off, and I'll let you see the difference in the video and the audio quality. First, here's all right, same distance without the microphone. Tell the difference? Okay. Now let's take the lens off, and I'll come back to the same distance because it's supposed to be a wide angle lens. Let's see if you can tell the difference. Okay, same distance without the wide angle lens. So you tell me. My lens kit, well, hang on just a minute. Let's plug the microphone back in. That way the audio is a little better. And let's do this. Get the lens set right here. Okay. Now, there's the lens back on and the microphone back on here. And I'm able to see a big difference. It looks like it's clearer to me. But, I mean, you know, good day to be filming also. It's cloudy, been raining. So I thought, well, you know, what the heck? Let's get out here in between showers and see what we do. Just something a little different to get off this talking about RVing all the time and all that. I'm thinking, you know what? Show people that you can do this with an iPhone and an aftermarket lens kit and an aftermarket microphone. In fact, let's see here. This, see? That little gizmo is a microphone. So with the two lenses and this little mic, I got less than $30 in it. And to me, it's made a big difference in the audio. Without the microphone, it sounds kind of hollow. With the microphone, it's a little bit more fuller, has a deeper bass roll off. But anyway, you can get these things, the lens kits and all, off of Amazon. In fact, the microphone come off Amazon. I think it was $11.99. The two lenses were what, $8.85 or something like that. Oh yeah, let me show you the other lens. It's a fisheye, so this ought to be really interesting. Okay, same distance with the fisheye lens on it. So I mean, you know, you can get up real close and do this. Kind of looks weird and stuff, you know, get all this weird stuff going on. But anyway, there you go. That's the fisheye lens. The other was a wide angle lens, and you can hear the difference in audio, I hope, between the microphone and just the iPhone. In fact, the iPhone I'm using now is an old iPhone 6 SE. It works, you know, I enjoy it. And it's a good, cheap way to get into making videos that look halfway decent. You know, yeah, I love to have a high-end camera at 4K and ultra high def 3D and all this other stuff. Fish eye lens. So yeah. If you're looking for a cheap way to improve the quality of your videos, you know, pick up one of these little lens kits. You can even get them in a telephoto lens. I mean, that'll zoom out there, you know. And it's amazing what you can do with your iPhone. It really is. Or Galaxy. I mean, it works on either one. So I mean, that just goes to show you, you don't have to have a high-end camera and all that, or a big fancy studio. I like out here in the woods. That's just me, you know. Oh yeah, my little tripod thing here is one of them like octopuses. Has the 3 legs that you can wrap around the tree, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Pick up one of these little cheap kits, and you can get them on Amazon, and I even think Walmart carries them now. I mean, it's pretty reasonable. In fact, yeah, I did. I seen a whole vlogging kit that had the tripod, the light, and different lenses for your iPhone. It's at Walmart. I think it was like $34, so that might be something you want to look into. Thought I'd do something a little different, change it up just a bit, and in between rain showers, yeah, get tongue twisted. You know, that's what happens when your tongue gets wrapped around your eye tooth and you can't see what you're talking about. So that's what we used to say in radio. Anyhow, all right, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, we thank you very much. Appreciate each and every one of you that watch our videos. Don't forget to click the little bell. The button, not the bell. The bell, yes, click the bell to be notified when we post new videos. But click that little button down there to subscribe to our channel. Okay? Until next time, take care. God bless.